Nakalamarom da Marang Sing Sangi, Mokwam Kulmanakta Leiba, Tupul Railway Station da, Chingning Kaiduna Misi Minato Pagitodo, Chief Minister Nong Thoman Biren Masamak, Ngasi Hakteng Nana Chatuna Yangsin Cray, Kong Chadaduga Marilena, Chief Minister Nahakibada, Mafa Masida Tokliba, Chingning Kai Pagitodo Sina, Manipur Tokpa, Quaidiki Chauba, Chingning Kai Pagitodo Ne, Todo Sida Tiba Kang Driva Singi Manunda, Ngasi Asibak Chang, Nipalama Sufang Bangamle, Makata Natiba Kangdana Ladiba Muy Sing, Tiba Gitabak, NDRF Amadi SGRF yauna ahenba force sangsinduna kanna thiri numit nini humni gi manungda soidana fangba ngamgani haibagi thajaba thamki mahaki kongchat aduda works minister K Govindas, relief and disaster management awangbo nyumai, veterinary and animal husbandry minister Kasim Muiva, MLA Laurembam Rameshona chingba lenga ki makok thongba official sing loinaki.
We have rescued army personnel around 23 and the civilian also. Civilian we will not be able to recover. Only one body has been recovered, and in the army personnel, 8 yesterday we recovered, and today another 8 has recovered. It's total 70. But we could not identify who belongs army or civilian, but 8 bodies have been recovered. More NDRF personnel, SDRF personnel, the army personnel, and even from the state force. We are deploying and we are trying to rescue all the bodies, all the peoples as early as possible.